Hey guys, Beardicus here, the One Take Wonder. In this video I'm going to be looking at unboxing the Thermaltake ToughPower GF1 ARGB 650 watt power supply. Now, first thing I want to say is a huge thanks to Thermaltake for sending this out to me. This will be featured in my normal TechWizTime channel. So if you want to see videos featuring this power supply, then make sure you check out the main TechWizTime channel. One of the things with this channel, the Beardicus channel, is that this is my personal sort of extras channel where I'll unbox things and talk about things that I normally wouldn't talk about on TechWizTime. So if that's of interest to you, make sure you subscribe here. And I've got a power issue with that light. But one take, I'm not going to take it out. All right, so the plastic's off. Let's have a look. What's in the box? All right, so the first thing you'll see is a little plastic slip there. That's very windy outside. Plastic slip there with some instructions and so forth. What cables come in the box. Nice little inclusion there. We've got onto the side, and this is one of the things I love about Thermaltake power supplies actually, is the little baggie that you get to store all your modular cables. So they're all separated in there. There's the power and also a looks like some header cables. Oh, that'll be for the ARGB, of course. And then you've got, whoa, look at that. You've got a whole mound of cables there. Cool. Oh. I'm going to stop the video and I'll come back. Sorry about that. This video is going to have a cut in it. I had to take that phone call. So, like I said, there's all the modular cables in there. And yeah, like I said, that's one of the things I love about Thermaltake power supplies is the fact that it comes with this little baggie. I think I've got 4 or 5 of these just sitting around the office here. And there goes the light again. Ah, good job. All right, so little piece of foam there, some stuff that you shouldn't eat. Okay, put this to the side for a second. That one there. Oh, so it comes with a nice little protective slip there to protect it. That's nice. All right, so on the back here, we've got color and mode switches. That's if you're obviously not hooking it up to an ARGB motherboard or anything like that. You've got on and off for the smart fan, which means that it will only come on when it starts heating up. Hang on, what does it say here? The fan does, when the smart fan is on, the fan does not operate if the PSU is at low loads. And off means silent fan operation. Okay, cool. So on the back here, we've got the 24-pin ATX, CPU, PCIe, peripherals like SATA and so forth, and then the RGB sync there. So I'll do it like that so you can see it properly. So the fan itself is RGB, which is really nice looking. If you, let me turn it up the right way. I'm looking at the screen just above it, so that way I can see that I'm showing you the right thing. And yeah, so the power pins are underneath there. So you just peel that off and it's good to go. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That is the Thermaltake ToughPower GF1 ARGB 650 watt power supply. Whew, nailed it. If you enjoyed this unboxing, then make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you want to see more videos with this one in it, then make sure you subscribe to the TechWizTime channel. And if you want to help this channel to grow, then please share this video on Facebook, Twitter, or Reddit. That would be a huge, huge thanks. No, it would be a huge help, and I'd say a huge thanks. Awesome. All right, well, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.